Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to level up Gamatoto fast. To begin, always send Gamatoto to areas known for high experience rewards. These locations are crucial for rapid progression. Additionally, prioritize expeditions that specifically offer catamins or direct experience points, as these are the most efficient for leveling. Keep an eye out for the lucky ticket chance event, which provides significant bonus rewards, accelerating your Gamatoto's growth considerably. Optimizing your expedition choices is key. Generally, longer expeditions, such as those lasting 6 or 12 hours, yield better overall rewards and more experience per hour compared to shorter ones. Don't hesitate to use your catamins to instantly complete expeditions, especially when you need a quick boost or are short on time. Always weigh the energy cost against the potential rewards for each area to ensure maximum efficiency. Leveraging items and events can significantly accelerate your Gamatoto's leveling. Always activate XP boost items before sending Gamatoto on expeditions. These will double the experience gained, making your efforts twice as effective. Actively participate in any special events that specifically offer increased Gamatoto experience or related rewards. Furthermore, diligently collect and use lucky tickets, as they often provide valuable items and substantial experience points. For advanced leveling, focus on upgrading Gamatoto's abilities. This increases expedition success rates and the quality of rewards, making each trip more fruitful. Consistency is paramount. Log in regularly to send Gamatoto on expeditions as frequently as possible, minimizing downtime. Finally, consider joining a strong guild. Guilds often provide beneficial bonuses and a community where you can share knowledge and strategies for faster progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.